Hello, my name is Jenny Suarez, and this is my field work on Khan Academy. So what is Khan Academy? Khan Academy is a nonprofit website that provides free world-class education to anyone everywhere and anywhere. It offers practice exercises, instructional videos, and personalized learning dashboard that empowers learners to study at their own pace in and outside of the classroom. Best thing about it is that it's free, so you're able to explore the website and the courses, but you would have to create an account, log in with Facebook or Google if you want to look at the test prep, which is like SAT and the MCAT. So what can you learn on the website? So this picture basically shows the courses that are offered on the Khan Academy site. It's a wide variety for topics for students of all ages, as you can see. Math by grade, it ranges from kindergarten all the way until high school. Usually there's 10 to 15-minute video lectures covering a specific topic, or for some other topics within the course, it offers an overview of it, so like a topic summary of that specific event or subject. And then the math sections offer math examples and practice problems. So let's go ahead and just take a quick tour of the website. So this is the history section of Khan Academy. We're just going to go ahead and click on the start of the Cold War. And this is basically the topic summary that I was discussing. If we go on to the next slide, there is a video that is recorded by a teacher, and he's explaining basically the Korean War overview. And it's as if you're in a classroom, but in the comfort of your own home. And let's go to the math section. So basically, we're in the 5th grade multiplication and division section. We're going to go ahead to multiplying decimals. It's basically an instructional video of estimating decimal multiplication, and the instructor talks you through it and does some examples with you. After you're done with this specific section, you're able to go to the practice section, and then you're able to do some practice problems. So here there's 7 questions for you to answer. If you do get stuck, they offer video help as well as getting a hint. So who does this benefit? This benefits students who don't have access to adequate education, students who do not thoroughly understand a topic, so if they get confused, say if they're in pre-calculus and don't understand parabolas, they can easily go into Khan Academy, which is what I did, and look up the topic and learn about it some more and do some practice problems. Parents who want to help their children. Previously in the class, there was discussion about how parents are unable to help their children. This was in the flipped classroom video, and they just felt as if they weren't helping them, and they kind of felt useless at sometimes. So basically, this will help the parents understand the information with their child and then help them whenever they can. Students of all ages, as you saw, there's math by grade, and then we have different history subjects as well as science and engineering. There's also this section I want to point out here, which is college, careers, and more. It's basically college admissions, so how to apply for college, what to do during college, what to do after college, personal finance, so like how to finance a car, credit card debt, and stuff like that. And then especially teachers who want to start a flipped classroom, Khan Academy would be a big way to go because the lectures are all online, and then they also have practice problems, especially for math. So how does this relate to trends, and how would I use it within the classroom? So this is the idea of flipped classroom, lectures online, classroom and homework within the classroom. Technology is advancing, so this is just one way of showing that. It's free, easy, and accessible material at your fingertips. And personally, I would use Khan Academy for supplemental material within my classroom. If I want to do a class activity that will eat up the entire class time, because sometimes if you're in high school, you have 50 minutes to go through a class, which is not a long time. So watching the lectures beforehand and then going into doing the activity would be very beneficial for that, in case the student mixes class for whatever reason. And then if there's a substitute teacher, rather than writing up a lesson plan, play the video for the students. They do some practice problems. Easy peasy. So how does this relate back to our class? So it's the idea of the flipped classroom. You watch the lectures online at home in the comfort of your own home. And then when you go into the class, you have more time to do homework and classwork with your students. And knowledge at no cost, full courses offered to anyone, everywhere, and anywhere. It's open educational material for all. And then this really related back to the online fan fiction reading by Rebecca Black, and basically how it helped ELL students. So this helps students who are slower to develop and stuff like that, especially students who are deaf. On the videos, there's actually subtitles that they can follow along with, and they can study at their own pace.